American Standard Circuits presents Printed Circuit Board Terms and Definitions, a 77-second webinar series.
Design history file. The medical device industry has a lot of acronyms. DHF is one of them. The requirements for a design history file, or DHF, is defined by the FDA in 21 CFR Part 820.30 as the design history file shall contain or reference the records necessary to demonstrate that the design was developed in accordance with the approved design plan and the requirements of the part. In plain English, this means that any material proving a medical device is compliant needs to be included in a DHF. Medical device manufacturers need to have a separate DHF for each type of device that is developed. For suppliers providing parts to a medical OEM, this typically means for every part number provided. What needs to be included in the DHF? User needs and design inputs, design outputs, design verification and validation protocols and reports, design reviews, and all materials related to design transfer into manufacturing.